So about the same time, within a couple of years, you had a fire at your house.
Yes. It was a very minor fire, thank the Lord. And the major damage it did was smoke. It originated in what is now my bathroom. And the walls of that bathroom were vinyl tile. And when that stuff burns, it makes a very black, heavy smoke. And it formed stalactites from the ceilings of most of the house.
Mm-hmm.
But the insurance company did a bang-up job on it. And when we moved back in, why, it was just pristine.
And how long were you not able to live in your house?
A few weeks.
Okay.
Well, that's not bad. This was the late 60s?
Lord, I don't know.
It was probably like the mid-60s, because I was still living in Rochester.
Okay, all right. This was before the flood.
And so that's a segue into Ware's Wharf, because my recollection is you learned of that fire when you were at Ware's Wharf.
That's right.
And so could you spend a couple moments talking about Ware's Wharf and family?
Ware's Wharf was a heaven for us. It was about 5 or 6 miles east of Tappahannock, and it was not even it was sort of a community there. There were a few houses, but nothing big. And it sat on the bank of the Rappahannock River, and we went down with our children and had a ball. At that time I was driving a 64 Plymouth station wagon and a 64 Corvette. And we took 4 bicycles down, a big